Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and today's video is where do you find suppliers in China? Okay, so maybe you're sort of unsure about how to find suppliers, how to go about getting good suppliers that won't rip you off. Well, there's a couple of ways. First of all, Alibaba is one. Alibaba, AliExpress, DHgate. Another one is the Yiwu Fair. I go to the Yiwu Fair quite often actually, and the Canton Fair, or what we call the China Import-Export Fair. That's another way to find great suppliers as well. Every supplier that I find, I always, without doubt, I call them on the phone, I connect with them, I call their Chinese number, I jump on WeChat, or I jump on Viber and I connect with them. I always have a chat with them. I always want to test their English to see how good their English actually is. And once I do that, a lot of it then just sort of comes down to me negotiating a good price. Now, I never accept the Alibaba price, ever. Never, ever, ever accept the Alibaba price. I always get maybe 20, 30, sometimes even about 50% off that price, right? Depends on your strategy, all right? If you come and visit them in China and you bring them little gifts, like the Three Kings, you bear gifts, right? You'll get some good prices, all right? And so a lot of it does come down to building relationships, but find the good suppliers on those sites I mentioned. DHgate is also good. Give them a call, connect with them. If you can jump on a quick flight, a cheap flight, come over here, it's well worth it. You will save a ton of money, even though you might be up for a $2,000 or $3,000 air flight, right? China Southern do really good business class, by the way, but spend the $2,000, come over here and get good prices. Get good dealings with these suppliers over here, because there's some really good suppliers over here. You just got to find them, and a lot of people do really bad jobs of finding suppliers. They don't know how to go about doing it, and when they actually do find a supplier, they end up messing it up because they want to get even a cheaper price on top of that, right? If you keep bargaining these people down and you keep trying to get the best price, then get a cheaper price on that, what you'll find is the quality will definitely go down, right? Or you'll lose the supplier. The supplier will be like, he'll throw in the towel and go, you know what, I can't deal with this anymore, and they'll ditch you. So hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you know somebody who wants to start an import business or wanting to know how to find good suppliers, then definitely do check out my website and comment and share this video. I want to help 1,000 people this year, guys, get started with their businesses. I want them to launch and scale their businesses up to about $1 million. So if you know somebody that wants to start a business, an importing business, an Amazon business, a drop shipping business, maybe they want to sell on Shopify or on eBay, right? Share my video. Talk to you real soon. See you later.